Plant FAQs. Peperomia Pixie Lime. How to care for Peperomia Pixie Lime. Hi, Fervu here. I'm a passionate plant enthusiast, and today, I want to introduce you to the Peperomia Pixie Lime, a charming little houseplant that's perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. This petite wonder, with its vibrantly colored, plump leaves, is a conversation starter and a breath of fresh air in any indoor space. But beyond its aesthetics, the Peperomia Pixie Lime boasts a reputation for being easy to care for. Intrigued? Let's delve into some frequently asked questions about this delightful plant. See more 1424 species and genus Peperomia at monsterholic.com. Light, sunshine seeker, or shade dweller. The Peperomia Pixie Lime thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Think dappled morning light or a spot near a window that receives filtered sunshine throughout the day. Direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves, so avoid placing it on a south-facing windowsill. Here's a tip. Observe your Pixie Lime. If the leaves start turning pale, it might need more light. Conversely, if they appear scorched or develop brown edges, relocate it to a shadier spot. Watering. When less is more. As a semi-succulent, the Peperomia Pixie Lime prefers to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is its nemesis, leading to root rot. Here's my watering routine. Stick my finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's watering time. I soak the soil thoroughly until water drains from the pot's drainage holes. Discard the excess water to prevent the roots from sitting in moisture. During winter, when the plant experiences slower growth, reduce watering frequency even further. Soil, the foundation for growth. A well-draining potting mix is crucial for the Peperomia Pixie Lime's health. Opt for a succulent or cactus mix, or create your own by combining regular potting soil with perlite or sand for increased drainage. Potting and repotting. Finding the right fit. The Peperomia Pixie Lime is a slow grower and prefers to be slightly root-bound. Repotting is only necessary every 2 to 3 years, or when the roots outgrow the current pot, pushing it upwards or causing the plant to become unstable. Choose a pot with drainage holes slightly larger than the root ball. Temperature and humidity. Keeping it cozy. The Peperomia Pixie Lime thrives in average room temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or heat sources. While it doesn't require high humidity levels, occasional misting can be beneficial, especially in dry climates. However, avoid keeping the leaves constantly wet, as this can promote fungal diseases. Fertilizer. Food for thought. The Peperomia Pixie Lime is not a heavy feeder. A balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, is sufficient. Withhold fertilizer during winter. Common problems and solutions. Yellowing leaves. This can be a sign of overwatering. Reduce watering frequency and allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, excessive sunlight, or even lack of humidity. Adjust your watering routine, provide filtered light, and consider occasional misting. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your Pixie Lime to a brighter location. Propagating your Peperomia Pixie Lime. Sharing the joy. The Peperomia Pixie Lime can be easily propagated through stem cuttings. Here's a simple method. Take a healthy stem cutting with a few leaves. Remove the lower leaves and allow the cut end to callus over for a day or two. Plant the cutting in a pot with moist, well-draining potting mix. Maintain consistent moisture and provide bright, indirect light. With a little patience, you'll soon have new Peperomia Pixie Lime plants to brighten up your home or share with friends. Peperomia Pixie Lime versus other popular houseplants. Pothos. Both are low maintenance, but the pothos requires more frequent watering and thrives in brighter, indirect light. Snake plant. Another low-light champion. The snake plant is even more drought-tolerant than the Peperomia Pixie Lime. ZZ plant. Similar to the Peperomia Pixie Lime in terms of light and watering needs, the ZZ plant boasts a glossier, more architectural foliage. Conclusion. The allure of the Peperomia Pixie Lime. The Peperomia Pixie Lime is more than just a pretty face. It's a resilient, low-maintenance houseplant that injects a touch of vibrancy into any space.